Video instructions for Stone Grip. The following instructional videos can be used to apply Stone Grip to improve traction on various surfaces. Surfaces include most types of porcelain, ceramic, terrazzo, slate, brick, concrete, and virtually any other tile found in your home or business. Slippery tiles, we have a fix with Stone Grip. Conducting a small test. First, gather all the materials you need for a test: Stone Grip, water, and a small brush or sponge. Find an inconspicuous area in the corner of your room or even a loose tile to start your test. Before your test, clean and rinse the tile with a typical floor cleaner or degreaser, removing soils. We recommend using SlipDoctors Maintain Grip to ensure as much contamination as possible has been removed. Once the surface has been cleaned and dried, you are now ready for a test. Put on your goggles and gloves. Open your bottle of Stone Grip and pour some out in a tray or a plastic disposable cup. Dip your sponge into the solution and spread a generous amount of Stone Grip on the tile where the surface is completely wet during your test. Once again, do not pour directly on the surface. Expected treatment time can range from 3 minutes to up to 20 minutes. While the solution is still wet on the tile, start testing slip resistance with your shoe by pressing down and pushing to promote a slip. Continue this process every 30 seconds until you are satisfied with the level of slip resistance. After a certain time frame, there will be a dramatic improvement in friction where it becomes more difficult to get your shoe to move. Note the exposure time needed for your application. To complete your test, rinse the sample area using plenty of water or hose off the area into a drain. If you are in a confined area, you can use some water mixed with a small amount of baking soda to immediately neutralize the solution. Dry the surface and retest with just water. If there is a visible change in appearance, you can perform another test with a reduced treatment time. Not enough traction? Continue the prior testing process until you achieve the desired traction results. If you are happy with the results, let's start preparing your application. Are you now ready for an application? Gather all materials needed. 2 buckets. Fill 1 bucket with Stone Grip and the other with water. Stone Grip Applicator, non-vinyl gloves, safety goggles, towels, and a timer. Rope off the area to ensure others do not walk during your application. Protect any neighboring metal or glass surfaces. Put on your safety goggles. Over towels, gently pour Stone Grip into your bucket, never straight onto the floor. Have a second bucket of water. You can add some baking soda for quicker neutralization. Locate any drains or water sources. Now dip your applicator into the Stone Grip bucket and start mopping the area. You can cover areas only as large as your treatment time. Do not let the solution dry on the surface. After Stone Grip has been exposed to the floor based on your initial test, it's time to rinse off the solution with plenty of water. Bubbles and suds are typical during the rinsing process. Rinse the floor 2 to 3 times before opening the area to use. Check traction periodically throughout the process to ensure tiles are treated. You can always retreat if necessary. For easy maintenance and high levels of traction, we recommend ongoing cleaning using Maintain Grip. Enjoy your new slip-resistant tiles. If you have further questions, please contact us at support@slipdoctors.com or EU customers at info@slipdoctors.co.uk.